Are you a modern furniture trend follower? Following modern furniture trends when decorating our homes is essential for several reasons that encompass aesthetics, functionality, emotional resonance, and sustainability. In a rapidly changing world, the way we design our living spaces can significantly impact our daily lives, influencing our mood, productivity, and overall well-being. Understanding the importance of these trends can help individuals create environments that not only reflect their personal style, but also enhance their quality of life. One of the primary reasons to embrace modern furniture trends is the aesthetic appeal they offer. Modern design is characterized by clean lines, minimalism, and a focus on form and function. This aesthetic can create a calming and cohesive environment in our homes. As we increasingly seek refuge from the chaos of the outside world, the simplicity and elegance of modern furniture can provide a sense of order and tranquility. By incorporating these design principles, individuals can create spaces that feel fresh and inviting, making them more enjoyable for both residents and guests. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish modern wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can use to transform your living spaces instantly. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Modern furniture trends often prioritize functionality and versatility. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, many individuals live in smaller spaces where maximizing functionality is crucial. Modern designs frequently incorporate multi-purpose furniture that can adapt to various needs. For instance, a piece that serves as both a sofa and a bed can be invaluable in a small apartment, providing comfort without sacrificing space. Following these trends allows individuals to invest in furniture that meets their evolving needs, enhancing both the practicality and livability of their homes. The emotional impact of modern furniture is also significant. Our surroundings can profoundly influence our mental state. Well-designed spaces promote comfort and well-being, fostering a sense of peace and relaxation. Modern furniture trends often incorporate natural materials, harmonious color palettes, and thoughtful layouts that create environments conducive to relaxation and productivity. By embracing these trends, individuals can cultivate spaces that not only look good, but also feel good, positively impacting their mental health and emotional well-being. In addition to aesthetics and functionality, modern furniture trends often align with contemporary values surrounding sustainability and environmental consciousness. As awareness of climate change and ecological issues grows, many consumers are increasingly seeking products that reflect their commitment to sustainability. Modern furniture often emphasizes the use of eco-friendly materials and responsible production practices. By following these trends, individuals can make more informed choices that support ethical manufacturing and sustainable sourcing, contributing to a healthier planet while enjoying beautiful and functional furniture. The adaptability of modern furniture is another compelling reason to stay updated with current trends. As our lives change, so do our needs and preferences. Modern designs often allow for easy customization and reconfiguration, making it possible to adapt furniture to fit different spaces and lifestyles. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those who enjoy rearranging their homes or who may move frequently. By choosing modern furniture that can evolve with them, individuals can create lasting and versatile environments that remain relevant over time. Engaging with modern furniture trends also fosters a sense of connection to the broader design community. Design is a dynamic field that reflects cultural shifts, technological advancements, and changing societal values. By staying informed about current trends, individuals can participate in the ongoing conversation about design and innovation. This engagement can inspire creativity, encouraging individuals to experiment with their decor and push the boundaries of their personal style. Being part of this community can also lead to meaningful connections with others who share similar interests in design and aesthetics. Modern furniture trends often draw inspiration from various cultural influences, making them rich and diverse. By following these trends, individuals can explore a wide range of styles, materials, and techniques that might resonate with their personal experiences or aspirations. This exploration can lead to a more nuanced understanding of design and help individuals create spaces that reflect their unique identities. Whether incorporating elements from Scandinavian minimalism, mid-century modernism, or urban industrial styles, engaging with contemporary trends allows for a rich tapestry of influences that can enhance home decor. The rise of technology in the furniture industry has also transformed the way we approach interior design. Modern furniture trends often incorporate smart technology, making our living spaces more functional and efficient. From automated lighting systems to furniture designed for better connectivity, the integration of technology can enhance our daily lives. By staying attuned to these advancements, individuals can create homes that not only look stylish, but also support their modern lifestyles, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. As we consider the need to follow modern furniture trends, it's essential to recognize the impact of social media and online platforms. These platforms have made design inspiration more accessible than ever, allowing individuals to discover new ideas and styles from around the world. By engaging with online design communities, individuals can share their own experiences, learn from others, and stay updated on the latest trends. This accessibility fosters creativity and encourages individuals to experiment with their decor choices, leading to more personalized and meaningful spaces. The financial aspect of investing in modern furniture trends should not be overlooked. While high-quality modern pieces may come with a higher upfront cost, they often prove to be more durable and timeless than cheaper alternatives. Investing in well-designed furniture can lead to long-term savings, as these pieces are less likely to need replacement over time. Moreover, stylish and functional furniture can enhance the overall value of a home, making it more appealing to potential buyers or renters. By following modern trends and investing wisely, individuals can cultivate spaces that are both beautiful and financially sound. Another important aspect of modern furniture trends is their influence on lifestyle. The way we furnish our homes can shape our habits and interactions. For instance, open-concept living spaces encourage socialization and connection, while well-designed workspaces promote productivity and focus. By aligning furniture choices with lifestyle goals, individuals can create environments that support their desired ways of living. Modern furniture trends often reflect these lifestyle changes, providing solutions that accommodate the evolving needs of contemporary life. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked, stylish modern wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can use to transform your living spaces instantly. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.